Primary research is considered to be as more valuable than secondary research as it answers a specific question. It does not rely on second-hand data which was originally collected for another purpose. This guide will provide you tips regarding how to conduct better primary research. It is a type of research in which the researcher is directly involved in the data collection process. It involves gathering fresh data. There are many ways of data and information for primary research. Interviews. Interviews can be face-to-face or telephonic. They usually include open-ended questions that help in gaining insights into people's opinion and perceptions. Surveys. Surveys are the most convenient and cost-effective ways of data collection. Responses can be collected from a large sample size. Focus group. Data is collected from a small group of people who are experts in the subject matter, for which research is being conducted. Observation. There is no face-to-face interaction between the researcher and the subject. The researcher observes only the reactions of a subject and makes notes. There are three main types of primary research. Exploratory research. The goal of this research is to find solutions and answers to issues that have not been previously explored well in the depth. Experimental research. The research type involves two variables. One variable acts as a constant and is used to measure the differences in the other variables. Ethnographic research, a qualitative research method in which the researchers interact or observe the subjects in a real-life environment. Time-consuming. It is very time-consuming and exhausting, especially if large sample size is required. Expensive. It can be costly and requires huge investments. Feasibility. Research can be impractical and responses can be biased. Primary research has many advantages, some of which are up-to-date. In primary research, data is collected when needed. Therefore, it is more up-to-date. Relevant. It is more relevant as a researcher collects data according to the objectives of the research. Confidential. It is more confidential as only the researcher has access to the data. Controllable. It is more controllable as the researcher can control the selected respondents and data collected. Before conducting primary research, it is important to consider a few things to outline the research process. Aim. What is the aim of my research and what I will achieve from this? Methodology. What is my research methodology, and which primary research method to choose? Subjects. Who are my subjects? Findings. What do I want to prove through this research and what are my expected outcomes? Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.